Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Trading for Beginners. In this video, we will be learning how to verify your profile on Octa Trading. To verify your profile on Octa Trading, first of all, access your Octa Trading application and open it up. Now from your home page, go to the More button at the bottom right corner, and from the Profile Settings page, tap on Verification. From Select Your ID type, choose what kind of identification document you wish to continue and submit with. After selecting your ID type, go ahead and upload the front side of your ID by tapping the little plus button. You will then be able to open up your camera, position your document within the frame and take a picture by tapping the camera shutter icon at the bottom. Make sure that the ID has clear photo, your signature, full name, ID number, date of birth and place of birth information. Once you are done uploading your document, tap on Submit Request at the bottom of the screen. Make sure your documents are clear and legible, with all the corners visible. And right after you do that, you will start the verification process. If the verification is delayed or rejected, double-check the clarity and completeness of your documents before submitting. And that's how you easily verify your profile on Octa Trading. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe the channel for more Octa Trading tutorials. I'll see you in the next episode. Thank you for watching.